Welcome to our exploration of digital note-taking systems. In a world overflowing with information, having a reliable system to capture your thoughts is more crucial than ever. But what makes an effective digital note-taking system? Let's explore some critical features that ensure you never lose vital information again. There are countless platforms and apps designed to help streamline note-taking, from Evernote to OneNote. Each offers unique functionalities to suit your needs. Effective organization is key. Utilize tags, folders, and search functionalities to keep your notes easily accessible. Imagine accessing your notes from any device. Syncing is essential for today's on-the-go lifestyle, ensuring you have your information at your fingertips. Cloud storage plays a pivotal role in safeguarding your notes against loss, providing a safe haven for all your precious information. To maximize productivity with digital note-taking, establish routines and incorporate advanced tools such as reminders and notifications. With so many options available, how do you choose the right system for your needs? Consider your personal workflow and specific requirements. Let's look at real-life examples of individuals who have leveraged digital note-taking systems to enhance their productivity and creativity. As the future unfolds, digital note-taking systems will continue to evolve, blending innovation with our daily information management needs.